Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 90 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper in this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then find the option home screen and wallpaper. Now let's tap on this wallpaper section, and as you can see here, we've been transferred to pre-installed wallpapers from which we can choose. As you can see, we've got beautiful options to choose from. We can of course enter the gallery and pick something from our own photos. And basically, if you want to check the preview of the wallpaper, simply tap on it, and I have no idea which one I will apply because I really like them. What is that? Alright, maybe this one. So basically, after tapping, you will be able to check the preview. It will appear on the full screen. You can change the position of the wallpaper also, because they are much bigger than the screen. You can make it also scrollable, so basically you can decide whether you want to scroll the wallpaper with the home screen accordingly to the home screens. It's up to you, and basically you can blur it. Just tap on this drop icon, and as you can see, you can change the level of the blurriness, but I don't want to do it, and let me tap on it again. Alright, and if you're happy with your choice, just tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so the lock screen, home screen, or both. I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. Now let's go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.